Yup, that's right. Cape Disappointment's got the bears, folks. There he is. He's just cruising down the road. Cape Disappointment's got the bears. He's like, hey, what's up? Can I see you guys give me some food here? Come on now. Whoop, whoop. That's why you got bear boxes.
That's pretty cool. That's a little baby bear. Where's the mom?
Howdy folks, it's 3D Woodworks and we're here at Cape Disappointment and we are going after these black sands that come off of these rocks. I'm out here with the Humble Stacker and we're digging some test holes, trying to see where we find the best pay dirt. And this black sand right here is looking pretty promising. We found a hole that has a nice crisp layer of new deposit, and I'm gonna go and do a test pan and see what we got. All right folks, here it is, all condensed down into a little pile. That's about 100 little speckles. Oh, they're floating away. I better put a stop to this, get this stuff snuffered up. But that's what I got out of one 5-gallon bucket. Cape Disappointment black sand. Thanks, Humble Stacker, for going out there with me. And I got a couple more buckets to go. And I'm going to rerun my my tailings off of that first bucket and see what I missed. Excuse me, it's late. And that's what I did with the 3D sluice box, 3D printed sluice box. Found some gold, folks.